Hey, are you afraid of looking stupid when you hit the go live button on social media? I've been there, done that myself. Are you worried about people making fun of you, getting negative comments, not knowing what to say, or maybe freezing up at the moment that you know somebody's watching you? Does that terrify you? Well, if it does, I want to help you. Every single week, I help 10 people go past that fear. Get to a place where you can go live anytime, anywhere with confidence, being brave and bold, knowing that your message is getting out there and you deserve to be heard. What other people think of you is absolutely none of your business, and I can get you to a place where you don't care about that either. So every week, I'm taking on 10 people. I personally help you through that wall, through that door, and onto the amazing life that you know you're here to live. We are going to learn the technical stuff of how to push what button, when and how, and what to say, what to do, where to stand, all of those things. In just 2 hours on the workshop, we are going to blast through your fear. Then, for the next 7 days, you are going to get so supported on your journey to become the most confident speaker that you've ever imagined that you could be. Enroll for my next training. Remember, I only take 10 people at a time so that I can make sure that you get to the other side. And if you take the course and you don't get to the other side in that 7 days, I will work with you personally, one-on-one, until you are brave and bold enough to go live on your own. How does that sound? Do you need more incentive? My book, Go Beyond Your Beliefs, is now live on Amazon, but when you enroll for the Face Your Facebook Fears workshop, I'm going to send you a free digital copy of my book. Come to my workshop. Oh, and what do I charge for it? That is up to you. I'm going to send you a free open-ended link. You can pay whatever you feel you want to pay. Get yourself enrolled in my next Face Your Facebook Fears live workshop, and I will see you there.